I am a magnet for money. Prosperity is drawn to me with ease. Money is always coming to me in expected and unexpected ways. I move from a lack mindset to an abundance mindset. I am worthy of making more money. I am fully open and receptive to all the wealth life offers me. I embrace new avenues of income every day. I welcome an infinite source of income and wealth into my life. I release any and all negative energy I have over money. Money comes to me effortlessly and with ease. I use money to improve my life and the lives of others. Wealth constantly flows into my life from all directions. My actions create constant prosperity and abundance. I am in tune with the energy of abundance. I constantly attract opportunities that create more money. My finances improve beyond my wildest dreams. Money is a neutral energy that allows me to do so much good. Money loves me, and I love money. Money allows me to be more of me. I am the master of my own prosperity. I am able to manage large sums of money. I am at peace with having large sums of money. I can balance massive success with ease. Money expands my life's opportunities and experiences. Money creates a positive impact on my life. I see abundance everywhere I look. Abundance is forever flowing into my life. I am open to receiving money in new ways that I've never imagined. I am connected to the endless abundance of the universe. Every day, I'm becoming richer. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. I always have enough money. I am grateful for what I already have and for all that I receive now. I am fully supported making money doing what I love. It is safe for me to make money. It is safe for me to have anything and everything I desire. I am in the process of attracting massive abundance into my life.